a different package, of course, they have on their website. So this is the standard package, which costs 4,500 on a monthly basis. You have two core CPU, 2 gig RAM, and 256 SSD storage for you to upload content, image, video, or any kind of content you want to upload on your blog. And you have 50 gig bandwidth. You can host 3 websites inside this hosting. And for you to host 3 websites, I think you will have been a pro in you do, in what you do. So for the WordPress Standard Plus, you can see hosting 5 websites gonna cost you 6,000 naira per month. I think this kind of like price depend on what exactly the kind of website you actually want to host. So you can also see what's included in each of these packages, free SSL, SSD, then faster website, one website, and cPanel, you're gonna see free hosting transfer. So these are the things you will definitely benefit if you go with any of these packages. So they also have another plan, which of course, you can see business email, enterprises email. So in case you just want to set up a custom email for your business and with your domain, you can also do that. Once you purchase a domain from Whogohost, you can also register for business email, and then you're gonna be getting some emails based on your business. So you can register for the domain here, and you can also transfer domain to from another hosting website to Whogohost. So if you want to transfer domain to Whogohost, all you just need to do is just click on here, and it's gonna give you some prompts on what to do and how to transfer the website to them. So they also have some other features which of course you might also be interested in, just like the SEO tools, website backup, website security, email service, and other stuff. And if you check on the left side category here, there are some other features which of course you can be of interest in. So you can see website design. I really don't know what they mean by this, but I feel like they also people. So I guess right. So for a corporate website, they're gonna charge you 100,000 naira for 3 month free hosting website, then 1 year free domain.com.ng or .org.ng. Then 3 templates to select from: social media integration, content management system, mobile responsiveness, then maximum of 7 pages and full features users guide, then content and host migration, newsletter integration. And for 150,000 naira, you can get an e-commerce website, which of course you can get free 3 month hosting. Then after that 3 months, you have to upgrade the hosting. Then you can see all the benefits which of course you're gonna get from it. So if you are very much interested in going on with this, you can just click on order now, and then you can talk to one of the support, and then they're gonna get you your website design just the way you want it. And if you are not satisfied, they're gonna work on the revision for you to make sure you are okay with the final design. So they have team that are an expert, which of course it can actually help you in setting up a professional website. And another other feature, which of course I also find out, is the